Could artificial intelligence be the game changer in your video editing workflow? Welcome to Unveiling the Future, top AI tools transforming video editing. Today's video production landscape is undergoing a seismic shift thanks to the integration of AI technologies. From Hollywood blockbusters to independent documentaries, the influence of artificial intelligence is reshaping how videos are crafted. But what exactly does AI bring to the editing table? Let's delve into that. Imagine a world where the tedious tasks of video editing are handled by intelligent systems. AI in video editing isn't just about cutting down on time-consuming work, it's about enhancing creative potential, ensuring precision, and opening up new possibilities for storytellers and visual artists alike. In this video, we will explore a range of AI tools designed to revolutionize the video editing process. These tools aren't just about automation. They're about augmenting the creative capabilities of human editors, allowing them to achieve results that were once thought impossible without extensive teams or budget-busting resources. First, consider the impact of AI on efficiency. AI-driven editing software can analyze hours of footage, select the best takes, and even suggest edits based on the narrative style or pacing you're aiming for. This isn't just about speeding up the workflow, it's about making the workflow smarter. Creativity, too, gets a major boost. With AI, you can apply complex visual effects that would traditionally take hours to configure in mere minutes. AI tools understand context, emotion, and visual cues, allowing them to enhance scenes in ways that resonate more deeply with audiences. Moreover, the integration of AI helps maintain high standards of quality. Automated color correction, sound design, and even error detection ensure that the final product is polished and professional every single time. As we move forward, we'll delve deeper into specific AI tools that are making these incredible advancements possible. Each tool offers unique features that cater to different aspects of the editing process, from initial cuts to final touches. Dive in as we explore the top AI tools that are transforming video editing.